Okay guys, after wasting about an hour cleaning up this glitter, let's get started. Alright guys, so I've never done this before, so please bear with me. So here you're just so here you're just going to brush your little pelitos from your eyebrows. This is going to be in Spanglish, so here you're just going to basically outline the eyebrow, but you're just going to begin from the bottom, and it's okay if you mess up. That's what concealer is for. But you're going to shade that in, and by shading, you do not want to start from the very beginning because you do not want block eyebrows. And my tonta self forgot to show you guys the product, so here it is. I'm using the ABH Dipbrow in the shade Chocolate. It is amazing. I completely recommend. But here, you are outlining the top now, and you're just going to shade that in.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over.
And there you have it, guys. For my preference, I like to shade more towards the ending of the eyebrow. Anything after the arc, a little darker. Only because I think that it gives the eyebrow more of a definition. Here you're just going to brush with the spoolie again, just so you won't have any harsh lines from the brush strokes. Right here I'm just going to be using a concealer that's in my shade from the contour palette. You just use Lo que tienes. But yeah, here I'm basically just outlining the bottom part of my eyebrow, anywhere where I messed up with the dip brow. And you just want to make a straight line and conceal those imperfections.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young and dumb. Touch me, touch me, touch me more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me?
This is probably my favorite part, so that's why I started recording. But you're basically just going to continue that shape of the eyebrow, and then BAM! Sharp AF.
Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
Alright, so here I'm basically just going to go back with the angled brush and just going to fill in the spots that, you know, I me pasé with the concealer. Okay, so here we're basically just going to measure our eye shape with the shape of the eyebrow. So here you just want to align the end of your eye to the tail of the eyebrow to make sure that they align. Also, the right side of the pupil should also align to the top of the arc. So as you can see right here, I'm trying to fix it.
Wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know why.
Right, once you got that done, you're basically going to measure the beginning of the eyebrow toward your side of your nose to make sure that everything is aligned. So as you can see, the tail of the eyebrow and the arc is all aligned towards the eye shape. So perfecto, look at that. So here you're just going to blend out the concealer, and yeah, blend, 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 blend. Never forget to blend.
Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Here we're going to be using the MAC Pro Long Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. We're just going to put that all over our eyelid so we can have a good base for our eyeshadow.
I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he
perfectly nice shaped eyebrow, you are ready to create your artwork.